Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 19 update with Nicole. So how is it going, Nicole, so far?
Good. Yeah,
Bye.
had a little bit of a rough week. Had lots going on, so I did gain a pound, but I still feel like I'm on track, like in the sense of I know I've said it before, but I'm starting to feel like I'm at the point where I'm not hard on myself or disappointed to the point where I give up on things when I am at this.
Yeah, that's right. But overall, you lost how much pound did you lose so far?
15.
15 in 19 weeks.
Yeah.
Right. I know that we are finishing this journey next week. Overall, you lost 15 pounds, which is not bad considering that you took number of vacations actually. Right?
Yes.
Not one, right?
Like multiple.
So multiple. One of them was really long, right?
Yes.
So, but do you think sometime in the future, like after we finish this journey, do you think you can reach your final goal?
Yeah, I feel like I've been completely given the tools I need to succeed with feeling healthy and good. And that's the first time I felt that way, I think, ever in my life, where I feel in control of what happens to me. And I'm excited.
Right. It takes time, right? It takes time to apply 100% what you learn. But overall, like, do you feel that you have the knowledge right now and the tools you need, right? So it's just a matter of time until you hit your final goal, right?
Absolutely.
That's very good. So next week will be the end of the journey. So I look forward to have a follow-up interview with you.
Me too.
And see where you would be at.
Okay, sounds good.
Very good. Thank you so much. Take care.